Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave and happy couponing Saturday. In today's deal video, we're going to go over 10 really cheap Dollar General laundry supplies couponing deals that you can do today, December 9th at Dollar General for really cheap. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, I know I've already asked this already this week, and I apologize for repeating it, but it is an important question. And honestly, I was so busy this week with everything going on, I forgot to replace the question. But it is still relevant, so I would love it if you would leave a comment down below and let me know what is one thing that you would really like to add more of into your stockpile to make sure that you never run out of it. This is such a great opportunity for you to let me know what kind of coupon deals that you need to stock up on, because I always try to go through these comments and make sure I start working them into my coupon deals, because it really does mean a lot to me that I work in items that you actually need, because if I don't, I'm kind of doing you a disservice. So let me know down below in the comments. And make sure you share this coupon deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon or just to save a little bit of extra money. That way I can get these coupon deals out to them and help them too. Plus, sharing my deal videos is a really appreciated way of showing support to my YouTube channel. It makes a huge difference, so thank you so much for your help. So let's get started with these deals. Now, we are starting off super strong. This is definitely a deal that I'm interested in doing because, unfortunately, the flu bug has made its reappearance into my house this week. Quite unfortunate. And my poor husband is staged out camp in our bedroom for the last couple days, and when he is finally feeling better, I am going to have to do a serious decontamination of that bedroom before I am going to sleep in that bed again. So, and if you've been here for a while, you know I'm a big fan of the Lysol laundry sanitizer. So, in this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Tide detergent with Downy. I love using this to clean bedding. Then grab 1 of the small bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer. You could also get the larger bottle, but of course your math is going to change. Then grab 1 of the 105 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets, and finally a Lysol air sanitizer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.60 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, I know at the beginning of the video, I asked you what is one item that you would really like to add more of in your stockpile so you never run out of it. By far, one of the best ones that I really want to stock up on for my own stockpile is definitely this True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. It is such a fantastic product. Not enough people seem to know about it. It's a really great substitute for the name brand. I originally got it on accident because my store is actually completely sold out of the other brand, and this is all they had, and it was a happy oops, because now this is the only one that I like to buy, and it is a fraction of the other price. So in this deal, grab 1 tub of the True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner, 1 of the big bottles of Downy Fabric Softener for $12.95, 1 Airwick Oil Warmer, and 1 of the Febreze Air Effects in the Apple Cider Seasonal Scent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.20 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Now, super important thing to note with this deal. I'm sure you may have noticed that the $3 off Downy coupon is not attaching to the big container of Downy Fabric Softener. And am I thoroughly over this continuously happening? Yes, I am thoroughly over it. So because I always have your guys' back, and there is 0 reason for this coupon not to be attaching, and you can clearly see the product on the front of that coupon, I have the email address and the phone number in the video description of today's deal video for the department at Dollar General for you to contact to get reimbursed. And I highly encourage you, if this is an item that you need for your family, don't let the fact that that coupon's not attaching stop you from getting it, because it's a high value coupon. There are 0 reasons for it not to be attaching, and go get your reimbursement. Speaking of flu bug cooties in my house, this is an awesome product. If you have never tried the Odoban Disinfectant, it's such a great product. Dollar General sells 3 different bottles of it. Highly encourage you to check it out because 1 gallon lasts a long time. Like I have 1 gallon in my stockpile right now and I've had it since summer. Like, oh, awesome stuff. So in this deal, grab one of the gallon-sized bottles of Odoban Fresh Linen Disinfectant, then grab 1 pack of the Skintimate razors, 1 Lysol air sanitizer, and 1 of the small bottles of Gain fabric softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.10 plus tax for a 47% off savings. Not bad when you consider that Odoban alone was just $10, and we didn't even have a coupon for it, which, side note, I would love some coupons for some Odoban. I don't think I've ever seen it before, and I would be over the moon excited to see it in the Dollar General app. Next up, we're going to shift our focus and stock up on fireworks, Gain fireworks specifically, because we have some really awesomely high value coupons to stock up on it. So grab one of the 13.4 ounce bottles of Gain fireworks, then grab one of the medium Gain odor defense fireworks for $7.50, and then finally 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.40 plus tax for a 58% off savings. We're paying just a little bit more than the retail value of the Tide Power Pods alone, and we're getting the fireworks basically for free. This next coupon deal is one of those kind of deals that I always say that I like to do when it includes like a wide variety of the general items that you need to get some loads of laundry done. So grab 1 small bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, a small bottle of the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95, small bottle of Gain detergent, and small bottle of Tide detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.20 plus tax for a 56% off savings. I am really, really excited for this next coupon deal because if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I'm a big fan of white vinegar. Not only is it a really good substitute for fabric softener, I've been using it a lot in my house. I make multi-purpose cleaners with it, I use it in my shower, and I am definitely trying to add more of it into my stockpile so I stop running out of it constantly. So in this deal, grab 2 of the gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, a 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets, small bottle of Gain detergent, small bottle of Gain fabric softener, and finally 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.50 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Next up, we are going to stock up on Shout Stain Remover. I don't know why we have stopped getting coupons for these. We used to get some pretty decent instant savings and stuff like that on Shout, at least within the last year or so, and nothing. I don't know why. It's a great product. So here's to hoping we get some good coupons for it in the next couple weeks. But like I always tell you, just because we don't have a coupon for some doesn't mean we don't still score a great deal. We just got to work in those higher value coupons, like in this deal. So grab 2 bottles of the Shout Stain Removers, 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, and finally 1 pack of Skintimate razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.25 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Not bad for not having a coupon. Now, if you are getting low on your dryer sheets, you are gonna love this next coupon deal because it stocks up on a lot of dryer sheets, and I mean a lot. So grab 1 of the 200 count boxes of regular Gain dryer sheets, a 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets, 1 box of the Gain Aroma Boost dryer sheets for $9.95. I believe this is also a 200 count box. And then finally, 1 of the 35 count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes. Awesome product to have on hand for when the cooties show up. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Next up, we have another really great deal if you want to stock up on white vinegar like me. So grab 1 of those gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, 1 of the big bottles of Gain fireworks. We have a fantastic $5 off coupon for it. Then grab 1 small bag of Tide Pods. If you don't want the Tide Pods, you can also substitute it for the small bottle of Tide detergent. It's the same size and has the same coupon. And then finally, grab one of the 2-count packs of Colgate toothbrushes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.70 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Not bad when you consider we're getting that big bottle of Gain Fireworks, and we're getting the white vinegar too, and we didn't even have a coupon for it. Moving on, let's stock up on some detergent, shall we? So in this deal, grab one small bottle of Gain detergent, one bottle of Dreft detergent. If this is an item that you use, please take advantage of this coupon because this $3 off coupon is awesome. Then grab a small bottle of all free and clear detergent. Love using this detergent. And finally, a 4-count pack of Cottonelle toilet paper. Love this coupon too. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13 even plus tax for a 51% off savings. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking Gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our Gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.